What's up guys, welcome to the video. We're here out on the water right now, but I wanted to talk about a little problem that I've been having out on the water lately. So here out in Cape Cod, when you're out on a boat or whatnot, and you're coming back to the harbor, and you're leaving your boat in a mooring or out in the water, a problem that I've seen and noticed that I have a solution for is flushing the engine. So once you hit the filler station, you come back to your mooring, dock. If you don't have a hose before you leave and you have to leave for an extended period of time, what are you going to do? Most manufacturers of boat engines, whether it be Yamaha or Mercury, recommend that you flush your engine after every use. But a lot of boats, from what I've seen on forums, people say that they don't flush their engine for the whole season. So here's a solution that I've come up with. Alright, so here we have the HART 5-gallon water tank. It's currently being filled up with water at the moment. The cap's right here, as you can see, and then the battery goes right in this little area right here. It's kind of small, but you can upgrade it to a bigger battery. Slide that bad boy right in there. And then we'll wait for this to fill up a little bit more. Here we go now, a couple minutes later, it's a little more full. Throw the cap on real quick, and here, as you can see, you throw this bad boy right here on the flushing part of your motor. Here's the little hose adapter, and as you can see, you turn the tank on from here and you have plenty of water to flush your engine. I like to plug the salt away hose onto this. Pretty good flow, I will say. Hose connection, I might even put a metal adapter on this right here just to make it a little stronger. But you bring this 5-gallon tank onto your boat and it makes the perfect way to flush your engine. So we're back here on the water. Now you've seen the HART 5-gallon automatic water pump. So that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. This is my first video for how-tos. So I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace.